Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another talk through video like I told you guys. So on today's look, I'm going to show you guys how to create this gorgeous pop of color lemon lime green makeup look. It is perfect for summer. It is fun. We're just, going to start like this for the colorful looks that I want to create for this summer, for you guys. And I'm using affordable products for the eyes and I feel like for the face too, but it is just so pretty. I freaking love it. And especially I went fast to curl my hair. If you just fix your hair curly and stuff like that or wet, this look is going to be so good if you do your hair like wet looking curly. It's so freaking pretty. So I hope you guys love this look. Please don't forget to leave me your comments down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys have any recommendations of a eyelash curler and an eyelash serum, because I am looking for that, please leave them down below and let's jump right into this look. Alright, so I only have moisturizer, and I showed you guys in my previous video what has been my favorite moisturizer, and right now I'm going to moisturize my lips, and I'm using this Sigma, which is called a Hydro Melt Lip Mask. Girl, this is good, and thankfully I have a discount because if I need backups or if you guys want to try it. And it comes with a little spoon. Look at how cute. But you just need a little bit. This was a lot. And this, girl, I'm telling you, look at that. You just need a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to begin with the eyes. I'm going to be using this Nude Sticks concealer in Nude 4. Everything about Nude Sticks, it's just really top notch. They are amazing, everything. I should do a full video using all Nude Sticks. So I'm going to apply the concealer as a primer on my lids, and this will also color correct. And if you guys guessed it by now, that color in the background, that's going to be the inspo for this. And I'm just going to blend this. I am using this brush from Real Techniques. Real Techniques is a affordable makeup brand at the drugstore. So for my shadows, I'm going to use Revlon. These two, I have a backup of this one because I just love this palette, but I'm going to use the neutrals and this two of these colorful ones right here. And the first one that I'm going to be using, it's the matte brick. And then the second palette I'm going to be using, it says Player, and the name, I think how you pronounce it, it says Angelis. I'm going to dig into obviously the one that has already hit pan with my brush, with my fluffy brush from Sigma, and I'm just going to add this all over my crease. And I'm going to bring it inwards and outwards. So now we're going to dig into this shadow right here, chop out the excess, and I'm going to concentrate that, on my outer V. And a little bit inwards, not as much. As you guys can see, I stop right here. What do you guys think of red nails? I feel like red nails on my type of skin, it just elevates me. Okay, so now I'm going to dig into this darker shade. And I'm going to focus that on the outer corner. A pencil brush like this, I'm going to focus that tip and just apply it on just a tiny bit so it can bring some color. Now I'm grabbing this first shadow right here, the iridescent white shadow, and I'm going to apply that on my inner corners, not my tear dot, just like the top inner corner, not so much, so just to bring a little bit of light. But you guys see where I'm applying it right here. Okay, so now moving to color, going to apply that beautiful green. Alright, I'm going to apply it in my inner tear dot, bringing it a little bit down and a little bit up. Bringing it a little bit up. Ah, it's so pretty. Okay, so to finish this eye, I'm going to mix this one, and this shadow right here. And I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. A little bit more of that darker shade just to the outer corner. I'm taking this Make It Forever M60 eye pencil For my brows, I already applied the Got To Be glue off camera, but I'm going to be trying out this Brow Pro Micro Pencil by Rimmel London, and it looks like this. And the tip looks like this, you guys. And it reminds me, when I was looking through my stash, it reminds me of the Brow Micro Filling Pen by Benefit. It just reminds me of like the idea, but obviously the Benefit one is like more detail. As you guys can see, the 3 little fibers or bristles, whatever. So I'm gonna test this one out. So it says that it will last 24-hour precision stroke pen, so we'll see. It doesn't say the color. I'm sure it's dark. For the front, I'm just going to go like this, like little strokes of hair. I don't like how glossy it looks. Okay, so I already did the other eye and my brows. So moving on to mascara. This has been my favorite mascara. My daughter and I love this, and it's by L'Oreal Panorama Mascara. This mascara just makes me feel like I don't need falsies, but obviously I'm going to need falsies for this look because it's just too dramatic. So this is how the wand looks. And now, I don't know if you can be able to tell the difference. I can only obviously see the difference when I'm just going light on my makeup. But I just love the way that it makes my lashes look. Like, it makes them look longer. And it just gives me the volume. Can you guys see the difference? Like, I can feel my lashes. I can feel my lashes touching my lids. I'm gonna grab this concealer brush and just clean out the outer edge. Look at that. So pretty. And whatever's left, just blend it with my ring finger. For my lashes, I'm going to be using this Ardell Wispy Lashes, and it comes with a glue. I'm going to apply some black eyeliner to my top waterline just so it doesn't look so bad with that space in between and everything like goes together. I'm gonna take this darker shade on the color palette, and I'm going to apply a little bit in my inner tear duct just to make this look more exotic. So moving on to the face, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion and color medium. I used it in my previous video and loved it. So it just gives you like a nice glowy finish. You look hydrated. Make sure your fingers are clean. And it looks so pretty. And you guys, I treated my dark spot, and it didn't completely go away. I can still see something, but I can cover really good with makeup, but it went away to how it was. It's going away. So I think I'm going to treat it one more time or 2 more times. So for my face, I'm going to be using this CC cream by IT Cosmetics, which has SPF 50, and I just love this. I haven't used foundation in a while, but I need to, just for you guys to, you know, review. But this thing, it's so freaking good. Like, it covers everything. I don't need that much coverage, and this does it. So using my Heavenly Luxe brush, IT Cosmetics, I'm just going to blend everything. Like, this feels like a lot. Bringing it down to the neck, and I'm just doing in patting motions. So now moving on to cream blush. I'm going to use this Kaja blush, and it's a Japanese brand, I believe. This one is in Strawberry Sorbet. I like that it has a twisty, and it smells like strawberries. It smells so good. So I'm gonna apply it up right here, and you guys are gonna see this look is gonna look really wearable because that's my thing. I make things look wearable. I'm just going to blend this. That looks so pretty. Now I'm going to set my face using my Sigma Soft Focus Setting Powder in Vanilla Bean. And I'm going to set my T-zone first. Now grabbing a powder puff, I'm going to set again, but this time I'm going to let it bake. I'm just going to press that onto my skin. Now I'm going to take this MAC by Nana, I thought it's the banana, by Nana bronzer, and it's just so freaking pretty, and just bring color back to my face. Contouring the nose just makes a whole lot of difference. Going to remove this powder. I'm going to apply this Milani blush in a coral cup. It is just so freaking pretty, and I feel like it goes with the strawberry one. I'm gonna apply this the same spots. That is so pretty. Oh my god, I have not had this much makeup on in a while, girls. I feel like it's too much, but it's okay. A little bit on my nose. Since I already finished my eyes and my makeup on my face, I'm going to apply mascara. Same one. Alright, so for the lips, I'm going to be applying this MAC Chestnut lip liner. Since I want to keep it really neutral and not so profound, since the eyes, I'm sorry, are out there. I have to do a full face. Just using MAC is, I feel like, what got me started into makeup. So I just lined it, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna use the back of a brush and blend everything. It's okay if it gets messy, we'll clean that up. Going in with my concealer brush and just cleaning that up. That looks so pretty. So I'm gonna grab the blush and apply that onto my lips as a lipstick. I could have used the brush, but oops. Oh, stop. It's so pretty. Look at me. I'm coming back. OMG. Okay, we're gonna set our face using this Rimmel London setting spray. Cover the eyes, and then going in with my foundation brush and blending everything. Girl, here you have the final look. How long did that take me? I think it took me a couple minutes, but it is so freaking pretty. Like perfect for, I was gonna say spring because it looks springy, but perfect for summer. Kind of reminds me of a margarita, even though I don't drink. But this look, it's so pretty. And then you have your, you know, updo with your curly bangs or whatever. This look is so pretty. I hope you guys love this look. All the products are going to be on the video so you guys can just, you know, purchase. But here you guys have the final pop-up color makeup look just in time for summer. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave me your comments down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what you guys want me to try. And yeah, leave me your comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.